ALS Identify are specialists in end-of-line automation. So we work with our customers to identify solutions bespoke to your needs. And not only that, but we will support you through the entire life cycle of that piece of machinery that you purchase from us.
When we get involved in projects, our customers can be confident that they're dealing with experts in the industry. We've in-house expertise to design the systems. We're not outsourcing design, we do that in-house. We do all the automation in-house, we do all the electrical panels, the build is in-house, we do our own conveyors in-house. So when a customer buys a machine from us, it's built by us.
One of the main advantages to working here would be there's always a wide array of things to do here, and differences, always new technology.
We offer a friendly environment. Actually, most people that I work with, they say that environment, it's one of the most friendly that they actually work with.
The team are great. Like, the expertise here in ALS Identify is unreal. They're the ones that really take care of the customer.